afternoon, M4394. Please introduce yourself.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Okay.
My name is Jubita Caldosa, 33 years old. I am single.
Okay. So, Ma'am Jabita, based on your biodata you have experience in Doha, Qatar.
Yes,
Please, what is your main duty and responsibility in Doha, Qatar?
my main duty and responsibility in my in my in my employer are cleaning the house, taking care of children,
Okay.
take care of the pets.
Okay. What else? Did you do the marketing?
I'll do also the marketing with my madam.
What about cooking? Did you?
If madam tell me to cook some food for the kids, I will do for the kids only.
Okay. So, as you mentioned, you took care of child or children. So, what is their age?
The age of the children, they have five. They have 7 members of the family, 5 children.
Okay. What is their age?
They have 17 years old, 15 years old, 8 years old, 7 years old, and 4 years old.
Okay. So, why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
Because I need to go to Hong Kong to send the money to my family and help all my family.
Okay. How long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
More than 2 years, like 10 years.
Okay. So, what did you do if the newborn's crying?
First, I will go to the baby and check if the diaper is wet or baby is hungry.
Okay. So, are you afraid of dogs or cat?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Are you willing to co-work with other helper?
Yes, ma'am.
What about share room with kids?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to learn Chinese if the family member cannot speak English?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to accept the holiday setup by the employer?
Yes, ma'am.
What about accept work on Sunday?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you sing a nursery rhyme?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, sing it.
Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Little children want to play. Rain, rain, go away.
Okay. So, what is your message to your future employer?
Good day, sir, madam. To all my employers in Hong Kong, please hire me as your domestic helper. I'm trustworthy, hardworking, loyal, kind, and more patient, and very understanding. Thank you.
Thank you.